What's up, my It's your boy Mo Kiss Bruce Lee back again for another banger.
Yeah, ho!
Check this out. Hey, this time we're here for an exclusive special edition Air Jordan that I can't believe that's dropping. We're here for the Tokyo Air Jordan 5. Let's go now. Boom. And we got him here in the Crown Studio. Let's get to it. Hey, this exclusive sneaker originally dropped in 2011 and it celebrated the grand opening of the Jordan store in Tokyo. And so they originally only released there, and I don't know how many pairs there was, but this shoe originally rose to a grail status because they were so rare and they only dropped in Tokyo. And so for the last couple of years, these have been going for, I don't know how many amount of dollars on the eBay and resale market, similar to the Undefeated 4s, which their review is coming soon. But it's the same thing. And you know, 2025, the 40th anniversary of Nike and Jordan brand, we are getting some exclusive kicks, and this is another one, y'all. So I'm happy to bring these to y'all. Let's get into the package. So you got your normal Air Jordan 5 box, y'all. Nothing different with the box. So the size label reads Air Jordan 5 Retro. The style number is I03372-700. And the color is Varsity Maize, black, wolf gray, anthracite. So let's open it up. So first thing I want to say, you do got your authentication step right here in the blue, as you see. Pull it back, you got your black paper. Again, just like your normal black Air Jordan 5 black paper. Pull it back. Yeah, I can't believe I'm doing this. So many releases have dropped today, not today, but this year, that has been just like amazing to see, and I can't believe I'm holding in hand, and this is one of them, y'all. Again, if you know the history behind this sneaker and the rareness of behind this sneaker, and to be holding it, and the fact that we are getting these, and the fact that for resale, these are only about $400 to $500, which that's crazy in itself. But it's good to see, because I know I will be able to own a pair of these. Shout out to my guy Jit the Beast. This is his personal pair. That's the guy who makes all the dope beats that you hear on the channel. Shout out to him, man. Thank you for letting me review these, man. And right off the top, man, some good solid suede on them, y'all. You can see that motion on them, and you got your black laces. They don't come with any extra laces. I don't think the 2011 pair did. We're gonna get this other pair out. Well, they do come with some extra laces. Sorry about that. They do come with some white laces to throw in them, which that's kind of a dope touch. That's cool. Let's get this box out of the way. Very beautiful sneaker, y'all. Again, y'all, I can't stress enough how amazing it is to have this shoe in hand with the Undefeated 4s. I mean, the Galaxy, Foamposite, Wu-Tang Dunks. I mean, the last couple of years for Nike and Jordan brand have been amazing. They have been releasing and opening the vault on some grails that I just can't believe they finally released it. And some people might say that's a move of desperation. I think it's a good move because it gives people that never had a chance to own the shoe and never thought you would be able to own the shoe. Now you can own it. And to me, it's all about if you like the actual shoe. Yes, the value goes down, and yes, it's not like these are not, in some people's eyes, they may not be like the grail they once were because they're so obtainable now. But like, who really cares about all that? Do you want to wear the shoe? Do you actually like the shoe? That's how I feel about it. So again, Nike and Jordan brand, I sent out a tweet a couple weeks ago on X that really went viral, and people retweeted it, and I was just saying thank you to Nike and Jordan brand for releasing so many classics and so many exclusive shoes that we thought we would never get. Again, the Undefeated 4s, Galaxy, Foamposite, these, you know, and countless others. I liked it because it gives me a chance to be able to own shoes that I never thought I would be able to own. So we finna get into some B-roll of this beautiful sneaker. Hey man, appreciate y'all for stopping by and checking out yet another episode of Mo Kicks and Bruises Lee. Hey, do me a favor, man. Hit that like button, man, if you like what you saw today. Comment below and let me know if you're going to be going for these right here. What you think about Jordan Brand and Nike opening the vault and releasing all these exclusive shoes. And how you feel about it. If you don't like it, you like that. Other than that, man, follow me on all social media platforms at Mo Kicks and Bruce Lee. That's X/Twitter at Mo Kicks and Bruce Lee. Facebook at Mo Kicks and Bruce Lee. Instagram, so you can check out these fits at Mo Kicks and Bruce Lee. And also TikTok at Mo Kicks and Bruce Lee. Hey, see y'all the next time, man. Next episode. Y'all be blessed. Stay safe out there. See y'all in the next one. Boom!